In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PS4 controller on PC using Steam. By the end, your DualShock 4 will be recognized by Steam and ready for your games using Steam's built-in features. No third-party tools needed. Start in the Steam desktop app. Up in the very top left corner of the window, click the Steam menu. That small menu is where Steam keeps all of its global preferences, so it's the quickest path to the controller options you need. Choose Settings. This opens a dedicated panel for everything about how Steam behaves. Having this panel open is important because controller options leak here, not inside an individual games. In the Settings panel, select Controller from the left-hand side. This section is focused on gamepad features, including how Steam interprets inputs and passes them to your games. It's powered by Steam Input, which helps make controllers work consistently across a wide variety of titles. Look for PlayStation controller support. This option tells Steam to fully recognize your PS4 controller as a PlayStation device, rather than as a generic gamepad. With this support active, Steam can correctly label button prompts, enable advanced features like the touchpad and gyro where available, and let you personalize mappings later if you want to. Click Enable. This is the key action. Once enabled, Steam immediately scans for connected DualShock 4 controllers and registers them. If your controller is already connected, either through a USB cable or over Bluetooth, you should see it appear in Steam's controller area and be ready to use. The big advantage here is consistency. Even if a game doesn't natively understand a PS4 controller, Steam Input bridges the gap so your inputs are reliable and the experience is smoother. A few helpful notes. If you notice games showing different button icons, that's usually the game's display choice. Your inputs are still being handled correctly. You can refine layouts and sensitivity per game later within Steam for more control, especially if you want to make use of the touchpad or adjust gyro behavior where supported. And if your controller doesn't show up right after enabling support, make sure the Steam app is current and that your controller is connected and awake. That's it. By opening the Steam menu, going into Settings, choosing Controller, selecting PlayStation controller support, and enabling it, you've set up your PS4 controller to work seamlessly on your PC through the Steam. Enjoy your games with the comfort and familiarity of your DualShock 4.